Allow me to begin by sending a warning to the so-called Commander-in-Chief, the President of the Republic of Kenya. One term, William Ruto.
One term.
We are tired as the young people of this country. I want to tell you that this country does not belong to anything or anyone born of a woman. This country belongs to our forefathers. This country belongs to the future generation and us, citizens of this country. We want you to take good control of your robots in uniform, the policemen, who sworn and vowed to take good care of the citizens. But they have proven that they can be the burning problem towards the unarmed, sober, innocent citizens of Kenya. I want to tell William Ruto that no amount of threats will threaten us. No amount of intimidation will intimidate us. The streets belongs to the people, and it will be to the streets until you get out of power.
One time.
I want to send a warning. I want to send a warning.